One of the easiest ways to make money online is to buy low and sell high. I mean, that's pretty much the definition of making money in any industry. But today I want to tell you about one that is probably the easiest way to do it, especially if you get my custom bonus. I'm going to tell you all about it coming up in my review of the I am checklist domain flipping. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with a hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, I mean, my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. Go ahead and skip ahead. My jokes, they are, well, they're really, really stale. They're still these pretzels I have on my desk, which I really like pretzels quite a bit. I've kind of become addicted to them, but you know what? I left the bag open and they're stale, and my jokes are stale too. But that's okay, because I like my jokes, even if they are stale. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, though, what I do here is two things: review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing in my desk? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, seriously, Bart? I haven't seen you in a long time. You got replaced by the other guy, but you know what? Keep it to yourself, okay? Seriously. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my head to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. Now, you see, Liz, she used to be my fellow New Yorker. I no longer live in New York, but she's still a sweetheart. So, I can't get angry at her, even though she says the same thing all the time. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean we're here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for the I am checklist domain flipping. Basically, what this is, Kevin Feige is one of the biggest names in the online industry, and basically what he does is he teaches how to do things with what he calls a checklist. Instead of having a long, drawn-out thing where it's like, you got to sit there watching a video, like I'm sitting here talking to you about a video. He puts together a checklist saying, okay, do this, do this, do this, do this, do this, and this is how you're going to be able to make money. It's very, very simple, very easy to use, and it's really, really well thought out and well put together. And the nice thing is that right now, if you pick it up early enough, you're going to get it super cheap, because right now you can see that it's on a dime sale. It just started at $7.06 as I'm recording this video. It may be a little bit more once you actually see this video, because every time somebody buys, the price goes up. But the bottom line is it's super, super cheap. Now, if you pick it up from me, I am going to be offering you a custom bonus. We'll take a look at the members area in just a second. It's really just a downloadable thing. It's not, any big deal. So I'm not going to show you, a whole lot about it. But basically, if you pick it up from me, I have a custom bonus that I created, which really is going to make this pop for you. Because basically what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to purchase domains that have high authority. And what does that mean, high authority? What that means is that as opposed to, say, if you just went to a regular registrar and, you decide that I'm going to make a domain about domain flipping. Okay, so you find, I don't know, my domain flipping is easy.com. Okay, I don't know if that's available or not. I don't think it's a very good domain name anyway, because it's kind of cumbersome. But let's say you find my domain name flipping is easy.com. Okay, or domain name flipping is easy.com, let's say, just as an example. Now, when you register this domain, it's a brand new domain. So basically what that means is that it doesn't have the same value as, say, something that's been around for a while. Because when people search for these things, is the first thing that's going to pop up is something that Google already knows about, and that they've been putting out materials about it for a while. So for example, Let's say there is a website called domains.com. I'm sure there is. I don't know exactly who owns it. I'm not going to start looking it up right now, but I'm pretty sure domains.com is registered long ago. Okay, so domains.com, when people search for domain flipping, is probably going to pop up before your brand new domain name, simply because of the fact that Google already knows about it. Presumably, other people have linked to it. And so therefore, it's going to be considered to have higher authority than your domain name that you just picked out brand new. So I found a little known method of finding domains that people have already registered. Now, what that means is that they actually have a certain level of domain authority. I'm going to show you in my custom bonus how to find out what a domain's authority actually is. The higher the authority level, the more valuable that domain is. And once you register that domain, you can actually go ahead and sell it to somebody else for more money. And again, I found a little known method of doing this that's really, really cool. I'm going to teach you about it in my custom bonus. It's only available when you pick up the domain flipping IAM checklist from me. Nobody else has it available. Okay, in addition to that, I'm also going to give you two additional things. I'm going to give you my guide to e-commerce sales, because basically what you're doing is selling online. And even though Kevin is going to show you where to sell online, I'm going to show you how to sell online. Plus, I'm also going to give you my guide to the difference between a commodity and an offer, which is probably the most important thing you can learn how to do. Because when you sell a commodity, you're basically selling to somebody something that everybody else has. So for example, a commodity is toilet paper. An offer, though, is something where it is unique, where you're not just selling the toilet paper, you're selling, I don't know, toilet paper with, you know, reading materials that people can use in the bathroom, for example. I don't know what it is. Okay, I'm just throwing out an example as I'm recording this video. I'm not really thinking about it per se, but the bottom line is toilet paper is a commodity because everybody has toilet paper. Now, they might try to differentiate themselves. Mine is 2-ply, mine has aloe vera included, whatever it is. But the bottom line is it's still toilet paper. It doesn't change all that much from one version to the next as far as what you're actually buying, okay? As opposed to when you, but if you can come up with an offer where it's something unique, that you are offering something that nobody else has, even though you're still selling the same commodity, still selling that toilet paper, but you're offering something together with it that people would want, that makes it more valuable. That is going to be much more valuable. And so you're going to get that from me as well, all included for your $7 and change when you pick this up from me. But I'm not done yet. I'm also going to offer you a bonus where I'm going to tell you how to avoid procrastination. That's probably the biggest killer of online dreams. And if you pick up any upgrade to this checklist, then you're going to get PLR rights to my video explaining my secret method of picking up authority domain names. So I'm going to show you the members area. Basically, they're all the same. You can see here, you just go here, you're going to see imchecklist.org. You do have to register, so it doesn't matter that you know what the members URL is over here. Basically, it's going to go to all checklists, and you're going to be able to download your checklist. You can see here, I have it pulled up, the list of what's included here. That everything is over here in the checklist. There are a few upgrades available to this thing. Basically, the upgrades are going to be that you're going to be offered the option to pick up a membership to the IAM checklist, where you're going to be able to get it included every single month with new checklists that are coming out. He's already got 49 of them available. You can also just pick up the entire library of them for a discount. And he also has a set of PLR content that I think is really, really good stuff. They can pick up at a discount as well. So let's see if I'm going to give it tip as the product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously, you the man. I really do like this a lot. I think it's great. Go ahead and grab this one. This one is good. You are absolutely going to get so much value out of this. You're going to love it.